Right, good morning, welcome back. Now this is a Harley Davidson Electra Ultra Classic, and as you can see it needs a new drive belt slightly, and we're going to replace that, and until I can get it stripped I won't know whether it needs both pulleys as well. So we're going to get it stripped down first, find out what it needs. I won't make a tutorial out of this because there's plenty of videos online showing how to do this. Me today, I'm just going to make it an entertaining video hopefully. So this is part one. Let's see how we get on. Right, if you're going to do this yourself, these 5 bolts that I've just taken out from the primary inner case, they are single use. You must discard them and buy new ones, because not only are they a stretch bolt, but also they've got little rubber seals molded to the inside that stop the oil leaking out the back of the primary. So most important, always replace those 5. Not expensive, about 5 each, all part of the job. Right, let's take a close look at this belt. Now I've got it off. There we are, first couple of teeth missing. And we come on round and we've got a chewed area just there, and then none. And none, and none, and none. No teeth, none, 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 all the way around to a little bit more chewed there. And then there's a few left. That's it. This belt has lost over 50% of its teeth, and it's a miracle that it didn't shred and wrap itself around the wheel. So nice and safe. We caught it absolutely just in time. Nothing like getting value for money, eh? Right, that's got to be replaced, obviously. I'm going to go over the whole job, work out not just the belt that I need, but also anything else related to this upgrade. We're going to look into whether we need the pulleys or not, and at the same time, everything else, like those bolts I mentioned, and the gaskets, and even the primary oil. So let's get all that ordered up and join us in part 2, and we'll button it back up. I'll see you then.